In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use headset mic on the Quest 2 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, you are able to connect external headsets or headphones to your Quest 2. Now, you might also be aware that it has a built-in mic. Now, if you connect a gaming headset or any pair of headphones, whatever, that has a microphone included, would it be possible to use the external mic from the headset or the headphones instead of the built-in mic for your Quest 2? Now, immediately you will notice that the audio is going to work flawlessly from the headset and the microphone is still going to be working. However, if you go into the settings or you try to check the microphone that is currently being used, what you will notice is that regardless of which headset or which standalone microphone you have connected, the built-in mic of the Quest 2 is always going to be used. Why is this? Is there any workaround to this, or is it completely impossible to use external mics on the Oculus Quest 2? Sadly, as it stands today, the microphone built into the Quest 2 does not accept external microphones. Even though you are able to connect headsets that have a microphone attached, they will never be used. This is a limitation in the hardware of the Quest 2, and because of this, there is no way to bypass this. If you have ever connected a headset to your Quest 2 and you thought that you were using the microphone from the headset, in actuality, you were just using the built-in mic of the Quest 2, the two little holes that you can find at the bottom of the headset itself. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that the Quest 2 has built-in microphones, and because of this, it does not accept any sort of external mics. Even though you can connect a headset that has a microphone, it is never going to be used. You don't have the option to change it, although you can customize the built-in microphones of the Quest 2, as you can see on screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a headset mic on a Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.